Sam, last class we have seen how to create CloudWatch using CloudWatch AWS service. We have seen CPI utilization, right? And also we have created dashboards. And
Yes,
also
yes.
on top of that, we also attached with SNS and also alarms. That's what we have seen. And today we are going to see similar thing with the RAM. RAM actually default. So RAM is not a default metric, but let's try with different methods, but I did not try. So along with you I should try because I did not get chance.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course, of
I
course.
didn't get time actually, so I just made it ready everything. I got some script. Okay, so yesterday after your class I was busy with my works,
Mm-hmm.
so I didn't try. Let us try here itself live in live only.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll
So
see.
basically you must keep in mind that RAM is not a default metric. We need to set up with the different tools, using different tools or script or what, but I'm going to try now. So in companies, these only will use in basically in companies also they're using this kind of scripting. They'll have some script. Okay, they'll use some
Yeah,
tools.
Python, yeah.
Okay, for the by using that only they will run. Actually maybe they have some kind of paid version tools. Okay, but we don't
Yeah,
use
yeah.
that paid versions, but that's why I'm following ChatGPT script. So this is a script. Okay, okay,
Fine,
this is a
fine.
script. So let us do one by one. So do one thing. This is my EC2 instance. On top of this we'll try. Okay, so what we will do is we'll create a one shell scripting. What I have to mention, the file name is RAM utilization. I'll keep like this. Insert. Okay, next I'll open this. um 1 second. I lost it with this. Mm-hmm. Exit immediately. The command exit is 0. Okay, update update the file. Okay, it is giving different one, but I had different ones. Okay, no problem. Mm, Update
Slight changes
after
at least.
world switch, world date. Okay, to DC to instance. Okay, let us do one by one. Okay, so let me copy till here. Okay, so this is RAM
Yeah.
util.sh. ls. Oh, sorry. BOD H1 RAM. Okay, ls. All right, that's fine. So next step is we already in the EC2 instance, so it's not a big deal. So download and extract CloudWatch monitoring script. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, done. Next ls. So this one actually it is extracted, so we need to remove this. Let's remove this. Okay, 1 second. Let's complete copy. Okay, that's fine. So I'm giving permission, executive permissions. Okay, I'm giving executive permission to that. Clear? I'm giving executive permission to particular folder. This is a folder. Okay, and after that, run the script to verify and collect memory utilization data. Let me copy this, and I'm just running the script. Shell script. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just running it, but let me check. It is aborted. Can't locate host name. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Fail to complete completion aborted. That's fine. Why? Can't locate hostname.pm and inc. You may need to install the. Okay, some it is suggesting something. Let's take help from ChatGPT itself. Okay, you can install missing the module. Okay, okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. Yeah,
Okay.
we have to install Perl. We did not do that. Let's install Perl.
Okay.
So it's a kind of software for running all these things. Running transaction check all.
So we have to do all the commands again
Yeah, yeah,
because Perl was not installed.
yes. We just need to run the script. That's it. This is the script. Again we got same error. Let's check again. Date and time.
Maybe we have to do all the steps again because after installing Perl, not the file. We have already downloaded the file
No, no, it is
and
talking
deleted
about date
the
and time. It is talking about locating date and time. So you need to install date and time module. So let's
function.
uh, we have to install different
Okay.
module related to date and time. All right, let me execute. Avoid future errors. Okay, so to avoid future errors, it has given some command. Okay, okay, that's fine. This is also done. Again, we are doing it. Okay, yes. I'll give you comments, no problem. Excuse me. Pass. Okay, enter. So you may prompt during cpan usage. Press enter to accept the default. Okay, I did it. Okay, it is a bit slow. Okay, okay. Let's wait some more time. Okay, right. Let me run this script. What happened again? What is this? Should the locate the LWPINC. You are very close. Fix the LWP peril module. Okay, I need to install again this one. Okay. After this, let me do this. If the abort doesn't work, okay. After installation again, let's run the script again. Okay. You are finally passed peril modules. Well done. Error is can't obtain the instance ID from EC to metadata. Okay. So to fix it, okay. Check the okay. This is actual console. It is asking in console. Okay. Optional allow IMD SV1 access. Mhm. Okay. So let me run this. What is instance ID? Instance This is the instance ID.
Mhm.
Let me take this. Okay. Look at credentials. You are configuring credentials by running the AWS config. Oh my god. Oh, it is asking AWS console. It is not taking by GUI. That is the issue. Okay. So it is asking to configure AWS console, not GUI. It is not accepting GUI. Okay. So let me go to IAM. Sorry. So I have to create IAM roles and all now. IAM. Okay. So now I'll create IAM roles. Create role for AWS service, AWS account. Okay. EC2. 1 second. Access keys. I think already I have some roles. Let me use this users. How many users are there? Lokesh, Sam. Okay. Okay. It is there already. So, but I want Lokesh. Download. Okay. Create user. AP-South-1. AP-South-1. Yes, this is the one. Okay, that's fine. So now what I will do is, okay, so let me repeat the same command. Okay, okay, let me copy this. Okay, where is my IAM user? This is, let me go here. IAM user. Where is Lokesh Cloud Watch? Open this. Policy, yes. Generate policy. This one, okay. Let me add here, add permissions. Okay, before it has copy. Okay, let me use inline policy as it is already having a code. Okay, JSON. Okay, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Open this. JSON. Okay. What it is asking, it is asking give full permission, you have to give IAM admin permission. Okay, that's it. I'll go manually without doing this. So let me go back to policies. Let me give permissions, IAM admin, IAM admin, IAM full access, root credentials. Let me use this, then create policy. So next, not specified. What is this for EC2? Okay, right. All EC2. What is this instance ID? Has a endpoint enabled token optional. Okay. The error occurred unauthorized when you calling modifications. You are not authorized to perform this auction. Okay. Okay, so find permissions again. Permission issue still it is not updated. Let me take this help. So again, this for confirming. Okay, since you don't have IAM access. Okay, so metadata that's fine. Verbose. Let me try this. Unknown instance ID. Okay, optional. There is unknown option. Instance ID. Okay, correct. Safe. Token is something. This token. Okay. IAM policy. This is IAM policy. Paste here. Attach IAM role to EC2 instance. Step on create IAM role if not already created. Trusted entry AWS service EC2 next to CloudWatch agent service severe policy. Okay, that's fine. So this is a name. Okay, so CloudWatch put metric data. Okay, and test. We need to test it one step ahead. Okay, let's try this. Um, what we have to do? You almost there. Script is now correctly reading memory stats, but it's failing to put them into CloudWatch because the EC2 does not have IAM role attached. That okay. So fix to IAM role EC2 instance. Step create IAM role. Okay. Okay. So AWS console IAM roles create role. Okay. Okay. Next use EC2. Next attach policy. Okay. Okay, it is take you through there itself. After that, roles, create role. That's what we did. Roles, roles. After that, choose AWS service. Choose EC2. That's okay. Create role. Use case for EC2. Okay. Um, so next, without clicking anything, just it is telling that next. Okay. AWS service is EC2. That's okay. EC2. Okay. Use case. Next. Okay, now what are the permissions I have to give? CloudWatch is this policy. This, so attach this permission. Okay, okay. This. Okay, next. In this, what I have to do? Okay, click the box next and click it. That's it. I just don't want to change anything. Just keep it as usual and create roller. And do I need to give any tags? No. So far, the role name. Okay, EC to CloudWatch role. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so create role. Okay, where is the role there? View role. Okay, now this is the role. Okay. Okay, this is the role. That's fine. So now after creating the role, so what we have to do? We have to attach IAM role. Okay, this is got created. After that, go to EC2 console and where is it? Okay, instances. Select your instance. Attach IAM role. Okay. So this role got created. After that, attach role to your EC2 instance. Okay. Policies got created. Okay. Attach policy to EC2. Okay, 1 second. Let me navigate instances. Okay. This instance. Select instance. Actions. Okay. It is attached to networking security monitoring. Okay. Let me take here. Actions top right, there is actually security. Okay, in actions there is security. Yes, modifier will change the security groups. Modify IAM role. Okay, next here EC2 CloudWatch role. This is the one. Okay, update IAM role. Okay, after that we have to do it again. It is updated perfectly. Then next, let me do it. Oh, it is exited. Okay, so I'll take this step. Yeah, verification completed successfully. Where no actual metrics sent to CloudWatch. That's not a big deal. So yes. This is really good sign, but small change. Yes, metrics. All metrics. Okay, usage view automatic dashboards. Prometheus. All metrics. Custom namespace. Find custom namespaces. Okay, metrics. Mm. All metrics. Where is that? Select instance ID dimension. Okay, first let me find this. Graphs. Memory utilization, memory used, memory available. Okay, let me check. Oh, take new tab. Then this CloudWatch. Let me take a metric. I'll create a metric for this. Let me go to CloudWatch. It is going my way. So create default dashboard. Okay, let me go to here. Dashboards. Create dashboard for RAM. Create dashboard. Okay, stack data. So in this usage logs. Um, I want this ID copy and paste. Nothing is there. That's okay. All alarm recommendations. EC2 AWS resource. Okay, AWS user notification. EC2 and balancing, load balancing, balancing, SMS, CloudWatch. Verification successful. No actual metrics sent to CloudWatch. What is this? Why it is getting almost reached, but I don't know why it is getting. Let me find. Awesome, you are ready to go. Your EC is successfully collecting metrics and the script is ready and send them to CloudWatch. So memory utilization being calculated and prepared. I'm role is used correctly. Payload built correctly. You still verification mode. So no metrics were actually passed. Okay, pushed. Sorry. So let me use it again. Okay, waiting for 4 seconds before next retry. Okay, it is installed. 8 seconds. Next retry. So go to console. So what it is telling? Go to console, CloudWatch console, and left pane click metrics namespace system line exam. Okay, metrics. This is the metrics. All metrics. But where is usage? System usage. Yeah? What is it? Custom namespace. Choose custom namespace. Click metrics. Custom namespace. Memory utilization. Okay. Sam, are you there?
Yes.
Can you see anything related? We were last. We stopped at last stage for verification only is there. Still, we have created everything, but we stopped. We just need to verify it. That's it. Memory utilization. Mm, time is to the payload is built correctly. Everything is fine. That's fine. That's fine. But CloudWatch console left side plane there is a matrix. This is the metric actually. These are all metrics. So all metrics explorer streams. So create alarms, create default dashboard, view logs, events, everything is there here, but I did not see the namespace. Okay, where is the namespace? This is related to logs, and this is related to metrics, all metrics. Okay. Source, graphic metrics, multi-source query, not required. Browse. Okay, go to instance. Let me try here. Let me check here on monitoring. Yes, yes. Network related CPU utilization and okay. I just need to find where is my RAM. I just made it, but I just need to find out where exactly it is. There. Config CloudWatch agent, CPU, 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 CPU. Okay, I'll try to use metrics CloudWatch. Mm, mm, why it is in this? Metrics. We were into different place. Okay. Now I got it. Now I got it. That's fine. That's good. Now I can see. Thanks a lot. Right. So the region was changed. That's why it happened all. Okay. Yes. So let me paste here. Per instance metrics I want. Same I want to paste here. Yeah. Let me find here CPU, RAM. CloudWatch. CPU utilization, excellent data. This is fine. Default dashboard. This is also fine. Where stats, metrics, EC2 events to SNS. Okay. Log CBS. I want EC2 related. For instance, metric related to VPC all across all instances 7 by image. Okay. This in this RAM. CPU related network. Go to CloudWatch console. Space instance ID. We stuck at last point. Where I missed it. Metrics. Let's go back one step. Metrics. That's fine. This is a metric streams. Interesting. Monitoring. CPU utilized network. Okay. 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 Metadata. CPU. PS. CPU utilization. Hmm. Sam, any help from your side? So, did you understand? So, this one step is pending actually. This one I want to see. Final step I want to see in dashboard. Okay, this memory utilization under your instance ID. Okay, my instance ID is this one. This one. So I need to find. I need to find memory utilization. Okay, this is my instance ID. Under this, this is CPU network and metadata token check failed, status check network output disk ops, CPU utilization network disk bytes, so metadata no someone you exit. Are you there?
Yes.
Oh, you rejoined, Sam. Okay,
Not rejoining. The internet was on.
disconnected. Okay, okay, fine. All right, I'm just finding metric actually. So almost reached last point, one step ahead. Let me go to dashboard here. CPU utilization is working fine. Let me close this. So let me add here. Mm, okay, it's fine. Next up, EC2 for instance metrics, VPC metric. Okay, it's giving same steps again and again. Okay, somewhere I'm missing, I think so. Okay, so after this, it is telling that go to metrics and browse namespace. Okay, I'm doing that only. Instance dimension. Okay. Select system Linux. Okay. So once after opening this, let me all metrics. Okay, all metrics. Where is all metrics? All metrics. Okay, here in the all metrics, maybe it got changed to something. This is all metrics only. Here, web server I can see. S3, SMS, SQS, EC2. Let me open this. In this, uh, across all instances. So select memory utilized, memory used. Mm, 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 mm. In this, okay. For instance metrics, VPC all across all instances. Okay. Memory. Mm, mm, mm. The hell. Instance metrics. CloudWatch. Memory. Where is memory? Memory utilized. Okay, so let me copy all this. I can see only this. Oh, we are seeing default EC2 metrics, but not custom ones like memory utilization. Okay, okay, fix it. Okay, wait for 3 minutes and go. Sam, can you help me? Any help from your side? What did you understand? Anything? This part I could not do. I could not see anything. CloudWatch console metrics, all metrics. I did not see this custom namespace. I did not see this actually. Last step. This is our last step only. After that, I can able to see. We can able to see the metrics. So in this matrix, this is the matrix only. In this matrix, you should see,
Namespace.
yeah, namespace, custom namespace. All metrics you must see custom namespace, but I did not see that. Where can I get it? This is all metrics only. In the all metrics, where is custom namespace? Hmm. Multi query. This query is okay. Oh my god, I could not able to see. Okay. So, so what I asked is, actually I could not able to find that in GUI. So I asked ChatGPT. So ChatGPT provided one command to see your metrics on top of your console here. So, but there is some error I got here. So something not installed, we should install that. Okay, for seeing the metrics it on top of here. It is generating metrics, but where should I find this? It is generating metrics successfully. Reported to CloudWatch. Successfully configured. But but with the different names or what, where I have to find investigation configuration dashboards recent alarms metrics only. I could not see the metrics. Where is that? CPU, network, metadata, EPS, RAM related. Where is that? RAM related. RAM. Okay. It is generating, but still thinking. I'm thinking. Metrics. Custom namespace. Where I can find that? Is that in alarms or what? Where it I can see? Custom namespace. Yes. System and Linux install free. Okay. So now memory used. Sam, can you see this? Memory utilization.
No alarms, no that. But
Yeah. No alarms, but I we can able to configure. So well, let's run this. Okay. So let's run
mhm,
this from here itself. Let me go here and I'll run same command here.
mhm.
Okay. So let me refresh. I'll save it here. Memory utilization. Let me copy this and Control C, Control N. Okay. Okay, all right. It is pushed to CloudWatch. So yes, can you see, Sam?
Mhm.
My God,
Mhm.
thanks a lot.
Mhm.
This much time it took, man, because this is the first time, right? We are setting up. So let me save all these things. See memory utilization. How much? 700 MB.
Mhm.
Okay. So because there is no load, much load on top of this. So but it is
Right.
showing. But it's showing. I will also put this. Okay. So if you want, you can keep all kind of different you know dashboards. See this?
Mhm. Blank right now, but.
That is blank, but it will update. So, but
Mhm.
you should put on something. Should keep on. You are actually triggering it. Okay. So it will update. It will take a time and it will update. Okay. So this is how we have to set up RAM because this is not default.
Mhm. Right.
This is how we have to set up. Maybe I need to segregate all the things. What I have steps I have done.
Yeah, it's complicated. Yeah, right.
Yeah, yeah. Because I have done so many things in this. So memory utilization is like this. This is for open source. Okay, for open source we should configure like this, but in companies they'll use different tools. Okay, paid tools for memory optimization or memory utilization to check that.
Mhm. Right.
So for
Of
using
course.
shell script, this is a way. And let me
Mhm.
segregate this first because again this will be complex.
Yeah, it's like too many things. Yeah.
Yeah. So first these steps, let me take notepad. All right. So this is the first you have to create with vi file name dot sh. You can replace with the file name anything. So after that you just keep these things. One second. Okay. Paste here. Okay. Right. Next. Okay. So you need to save this first. After that, simply you just click save. Save the file. Right. Next step with the different separation with this and download. You should download this. Okay. Download it. After that, whatever the file which you downloaded, after unzip it, just remove it this rmif and rf downloaded file. After that you have to give the permissions. Next step. Okay, you also keep this separation. Okay, so next okay, you are just giving permission, executive permissions to your shell script file. Okay, next you have to run this. Okay, you have to run this, but in our case we have to install some tools Perl related. Okay, so and system definitely whatever it needs it will ask you. At the time you need to respond accordingly, right? So what happened in our case, we got this error. Why this error? In the sense, we don't have, system does not have a Perl is a kind of software. This software it does not have in my system. Pl related software I don't have. So I got error. This is for your troubleshooting purpose in future. Okay, got error as below.
For solution.
Okay, below. So this is error. See, so according to this error we responded. Okay, according to this error, accordingly, so we have followed below steps. Okay. So what we have done, we have installed this. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is first step. We have installed this one. Hold. After that, so we executed the same. We executed this command. Okay. After this, executed below command. Okay. So still after that, what happened? So we again got some error, because in this error, what we got is something we need to install related to date and time related. Clear? So
Right.
we got this error. So we got below error. So it is recommended. Okay. So let me separate it. Okay. Right. So then what happened is ChatGPT suggested some you know
Some
ChatGPT
commands.
suggested some module. Okay. This we have to install. Okay. Date and
Model.
time, all related, date and time related again. So to avoid future error, it has suggested one command. Okay. To avoid, so why should I write all these things unnecessary? There is already, it is there. So it is recommended. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is suggested in the bracket, is it said recommended. That's why I have used, otherwise I won't. So it is recommended. According to that, I just used this command. Okay. So after that, so if you are using Linux 2023 old one, okay, yum don't find the packages. So that is the reason we just need to use,
Install the packages.
yeah, install the packages. This one,
Perl
all
packages.
this,
Perl so.
yeah. So let me do this also. It will useful for them. Okay. And after this again, I ran the previous command. See this, for
Mm-hmm.
checking purpose. Okay. Rerun, rerun the same command. This command is shell scripting file. Okay. So just run this command again after that. So after that, we observed one more error. The error is related to CPAN. Okay, something different error we got. So using that again, it is suggested something. No, 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 no error, no error. So actually, it was got stopped. It got stopped. Then I asked ChatGPT why not I'm not getting any response. What I have to do? So then ChatGPT suggested me, great, output shows that poll module has been successfully done. Okay, you will see this pass. Okay, so I'll write here, you will see, so end of the line, something passed, result passed. So then you have to follow this. Okay, then see now CPN is working properly. Okay, so you just need to use this command. Next step, just simply I'll use this. Okay, this command, after this, just need to use this command. Okay, so after that again, you need to run the command, execute the command. So let's complete once done your monitoring script. Okay, same command, we are actually running the command and checking it. So okay, if you want to pre-install all potential dependencies, but I did not use this. Okay, I don't want. Okay, so don't use this. Okay, after that also I can see something like this. Okay,
Instance errors.
yeah, some related to some instance, related
It's,
something. So then I observed some error. So let me keep. So this will not happen with you all the cases. Okay, for my situation it has happened to me, but in your case it might not happen.
Yeah,
Okay,
of
because
course.
your dependencies maybe along with your
Yeah.
system, whenever you install code along with that, all the dependencies will get sometimes. In my case, it didn't. Okay, so I got error below. So this is the error. So then what happened? The error is telling that script is missing LWP, something related. Okay, error is telling this one. Okay, so what I have to do to fix it? Okay, LWP Perl related command need to be executed. So just execute this command. So after that, this is done. After that, you again, and if the above doesn't work, you need to use this. Okay, but it worked for me. For me, it worked. So then after installation, again you need to execute the file. Okay, run the command, run the shell script file. Okay, so after that, I got again different error. Okay, error cannot obtain the EC2 metadata. Okay, so in your case, if you don't get errors, simply you can go with accordingly. So we'll see. I'll be with you, no problem. I got error below. So then, so what is this error?
Was root cause.
Root cause the script tries to query the EC2 instance metadata to get the instance ID, but it could not fetch it. That is the issue. Okay, so then what happened? It suggested some command. Okay, this is a command. So according to as per your ID, your instance ID, you need to replace it. Okay, okay. So option 2 also given, but for me option 1 worked. Okay, so
Okay.
no need to, I don't want to confuse you. That's why I'm not taking it. So after that I observed these things because this is a permission issue. Okay, this
Yeah,
also it's
so if
important.
I am access, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. After this, so let me close this. After this, I observed below error. Okay, so for that, what it is, some error persisted. What is that error? IAM roles related. Okay, this is the error. IAM user does not have permission, so we have to give the permission. That's it, right? So for that, this is a step. Okay, so tomorrow, to avoid these kind of things while you are creating it, so we'll create IAM policies initially only before executing the commands. Clear?
Okay, okay.
So then we can avoid these kind of errors.
Yes, of course.
So then after that, yeah, after that, let's copy this and paste. Okay, this is what. So in policies, I have added this, nothing else. Just allow permissions you allowed. That's it, right? So next, alternate. I didn't use this alternate. Okay. So after that, again, I got some error, unauthorized access because this was not updated. So so then so I created IAM user in that. Clear? I have created after that I have created IAM user. Okay, after this I have created IAM user. You have seen that, right? Okay, okay. So next, hmm, so instant ID. What I after that? Let me take this copy. After creating IAM user, I just used it. Okay, run this command. Okay, I'll be with you. Don't worry. This is not much complicated. Initially, it might complicate for everyone, but not always. Okay, so let's take this error I got. So according to this error, we responded. So what is the error? Because non-put instance data PL does not accept instance ID type and region. Okay, this was the issue. So why means why means this is the issue. Okay, right. So but I did not follow this, Sam. After this, I did not follow this. Okay, after that, so just I went to I created properly there. After that, see this IAM roles only. I just focused on IAM roles. After creating IAM roles, access key and token I have used. Okay, so this, see what do you do? I did not use this, Sam. I did not use this. Can you see this? All these
Yes,
GitHubs and all. I did not use anything. This one. Okay. After that, I skipped it. Okay.
yes, GitHub and all is
Yeah,
different.
yeah. So then what I have done is I just modified it properly, clearly. So this one I have used. Okay. Alternate. This step I have used. GitHub and all. I did not do anything.
Yeah, GitHub and all you have to separately do
Yeah.
that. Yeah, and
I did
understand.
not do that GitHub and all. So I just updated this IAM policy. That's it. Okay. After that, I ran this command. So with the ID. So then after that, I got result. So, but something it is telling some instance related some error I got. Okay. After this, okay. So after I got it actually. So then what I have done is I got actually this one. Finally, after executing this command, I got this one. Instance ID, instance metadata options. So all those things I have. I just received it. Okay. So with this command, after ran this command, I just got result this one. So then I just pasted into ChatGPT. So ChatGPT said everything is fine, configured successfully. Okay. So after that, I just whatever the command is there, that command executed. Okay, executed command. Okay, below command. This one. So after that, okay, after executing the command, I just got no IAM role associated again.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So then after that, so these many times I have done.
Mm,
So this is kind of troubleshooting. So yeah, all this comes under troubleshooting only. Okay. So then after that, I fixed it. This is what I have done.
mm-hmm.
I have created again this one. So with the this script,
Policy.
yeah, policy with the name of all these things. Okay. So I followed these steps. Okay, so we'll make it easy. Okay, so we should not follow all these complex steps. Okay, next after that I run this,
Right.
executed this command again. Later, see, after that, after that, what happened? It got successfully. I got successful. Okay, so I requested ChatGPT to navigate, create role using AWS console. Okay, I created AWS everything, IAM policies and all. Okay, so after that, I could see, I could see this one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, successfully. Can you see verification completed successfully after that?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let me copy this also. So this is actually just given steps how to do that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so these are all already done, but it is given again. Okay, this we have done already. So repeatedly done. Everything I have done repeatedly. Okay, so don't
Mm-hmm.
confuse. Okay, so then after running this command, got result. After that, I got below result. Okay, so what is the result? This is the result. Okay, after setting up, what happened is, so that instance, whatever EC2 instance sent to metrics to the CloudWatch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then so you see this great news. So this pop-up I got from the ChatGPT message. So then we after this what I have to do is we have to go CloudWatch and we need to create this namespaces and all.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So all fine. Okay, the same thing I copied again and again. The same result I got from the ChatGPT.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I used the same command for multiple times. Okay, so I couldn't see that that moment. After that, I couldn't see that namespaces and all.
New
So
space and all.
I'll show you again there. Okay, this is the one CloudWatch dashboards. So I will again show you. So this will continuously show you the result.
Mm-hmm.
So let me take a duplicate.
But this, when we go back, we didn't see any changes in the graph actually. When you right now you were just seeing it, it's just stagnant. There is blank, no changes in the graph at all, actually. And it's been, I mean, we have been troubleshooting, copying the commands and all on that, but we didn't see much
See
change.
graph in the sense you
Like,
see this graph there is observation small things in graph you can't identify. See this there is
mm,
observation in the graph. See this.
yeah, it's like,
So this is actually giving in MBs and everything 26. This is that's why I mentioned here. In graph you could not observe everything. See here it is there
right.
it is giving. That's why I mentioned in percentage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'll show you here in dashboards. See here in this RAM dashboard I created right. In this RAM
Mm-hmm.
dashboard, so you find
Namespace.
okay if you want you can see that again. So for example, I will take here gauge. Okay, you see here system Linux. This is what we
Mm-hmm.
need in names custom namespace. This is what I was
Mm-hmm.
trying to find this name. Okay, but
Okay.
it could not updated immediately. It took time to update.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so system Linux is there. So install whatever it is there. I took this and I just create a wizard and I'll save it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I need to give maximum and minimum. Okay, you have to give gauge range options tab. Okay, options, I need to go options, range minimum, from where to where, 10 1 to 100 I'll keep, or 500 600. 1000 I'll give. Okay. See here,
Mm-hmm.
same in gauge also it is showing same. Here also showing, but it is a minor in graph you can't observe.
Mm-hmm.
Still it is working. Okay. These things. So if you want, I can show you in this also bar chart. Maybe it will take time. Let's wait. Maybe bar not showing. I don't know. Okay. We'll try to take other one. Pie chart. Let me take pie chart. System Linux namespace star ID. I will take memory available. Okay. Memory used. Memory utilization. These things. Let me keep. Okay. Some are not working. Some are working. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. Not a big deal. That's not stop stores for us. It will not stop
Mm-hmm.
us.
Of course, of course.
Right. That's it. It is clearly stating that, clearly showing how much memory used. 252 memory
Used
used. Memory available
48 bytes.
697 and 26 is memory utilization. This is very much very more than enough to learn. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I think steps has been done clearly, right? This much only.
Yes, we
So
can
let me
follow
cross check.
this.
Yeah, let me cross check with the chat GPT again. Where is that? This one. Okay, what is this? It's okay. It doesn't matter. Okay, I just repeated lot more steps. All steps I repeated. Okay, don't focus on all those. Okay, while you are creating it, you can understand very much clear. Okay, let me save this first. RAM utilization CloudWatch. I'll share with you. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
desktop. I'll keep it. So what's the time now?
It's 1:45.
Oh my goodness, is it?
Yes.
Okay, shall we continue then tomorrow?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Maybe,
directly you
yeah.
can start with everything. Okay.
Tomorrow Saturday,
Don't.
that's the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
We'll- yeah.
Yeah, Ram. Sorry, Sam. So
Yes.
Sam, tomorrow just do focus on step by step process. Don't club all together.
Mm-hmm.
First, initially, try to create an instance first. Okay, I'm
Mm-hmm.
just repeating the steps what we have done yesterday. First, create instance. After that, you create a CloudWatch. Okay. After that, you just create whatever metrics are there, and we need to enable detailed monitoring and all. Okay. If you
Right.
keep detailed monitoring, you just need to mind how much you time spent. That will need to pay. Okay.
Yeah,
If you
of
don't,
course it
if you
is.
don't, if you don't enable detailed monitoring, also not a big deal. You will get the output
Output
every 5 minutes.
in
It
five
will
minutes.
update every 5 minutes metrics. Clear. So after that, you need to create SNS. Okay, and also you need to create subscription topics and etc. etc. Okay, so that after that, we need to create the dashboards. In the dashboards,
Mm.
we'll see different dashboards. Okay, so maybe graphs, pie chart, etc. etc. All those using some widget. Okay, so then after that, we will look into this RAM. Okay.
Mm.
First, clearly do with one instance, EC2 instance. Once after you get perfection, after that do with the practice, and after do with the more exercises with the different tools, different services like auto scaling, etc etc etc. Whatever you, if you know the process, you will play with anything,
Yes.
right? So that's it,
Mm.
Sam. Thanks for joining. Any doubts?
Thank you.
You
Yeah.
clearly understood, right?
Yeah, I understood. I followed. But yeah,
Yeah. Oh,
as we do it, we'll find out more.
yeah. Right. So that's it, Sam. That's it for today. Tomorrow we'll
Thanks.
connect and we'll start doing practice in your mission. Okay.
Right, right.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Sam. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.